talk about how can you enable account suggestions on your Trades app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. So then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on following and followers here. So then you come to next here, you come here to account suggestions. Just click here on like you see now here. So account suggestions enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.